Hi, I'm Phil, and today I'll be reviewing the Mother's California Gold clay bar kit from NAPA Canada on my used-to-be white Ram that has collected brake dust and has since rusted, so now it's got a bit of an orange tint to it. And no matter what I've tried, any other product I've tried, I've not been able to get these rust specks off. The Mother's clay bar kit will do it. So here we're going to open up the Mother's clay bar kit box and see what we got. Oh, we got a chamois for wiping the area clean afterwards. We have the instant detailer, which is going to give the lubrication for the clay bars to work, and we've got 2 clay bars to work around the truck. This is what I'm talking about. It's the orange color that's kind of taking over the white finish on the truck, and we're going to get that right off quickly with the Mother's clay bar kit. So here we are at the truck. I got my clay bar, I got the Mother's California Gold instant detailer spray, and my chamois. I'm going to take a little bit of the detailer spray, open it, and give it a bit of a spray. I'm going to take my clay bar, I'm just going to rub it in. And you can see those rust spots coming right off. Take the bar and we fold it over on itself, and we get a new spot. You get a little bit done here, and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. And as you're going, you'll notice it'll start drying up, and then it starts picking it right off all that rust. And it's locked nicely away inside the clay bar. And you just keep molding it around, get a new clean piece, and take after it again. As you can see, this product has turned a orangey yellow paint job back into a nice smooth white finish. These clay bars work really well. I highly recommend for anyone that needs that extra bit of cleaning that any other products won't handle. Mother's clay bars.